Hi, this is Pete from SCI Distribution. Just another video to show you guys how we integrate a 4-channel DSP amplifier or a simple pre-out into a new Ford vehicle with zero damage. So this is a product we've just made for a customer today and we'll be shipping it out today. So this one is for a Ford Transit van, and the customer has asked us for a solution to be able to fit a 4-channel amplifier and a subwoofer amplifier. So we've come up with this for him. So what we've done, we've got a male and a female radio plug here, so there's no damage at the radio end, and then the speaker signal is taken from the OEM stereo through this harness into this plug here, and then he's got a pair of pre-outs. Okay, so the pre-outs basically will give you an RCA out and a 12 volt remote turn on out, so they'll turn on his aftermarket amplifiers. So he's got two here because he's going to run a 4-channel amplifier on one and he's going to run a subwoofer amplifier on the other. For the subwoofer amplifier, if you don't have a bass controller with it or you've lost it, etc., which happens, then this one is included, and you basically just plug it into this socket here and it gives you independent bass control of that pre-out, as opposed to adjusting all of your radio settings, which is a pain because obviously that then affects your speaker sound. So we've also built into this loom for him the return cables, which will come from an amplifier back up through the loom back to the OEM stereo, so he can use all his OEM wiring from the radio plug through the doors to the tweeters, and he's got no wires to cut or solder, therefore no damage. So if it's a lease vehicle, you can just simply remove this harness afterwards and return it back to standard and no one will ever know. If you decide at a later date that you don't want to use your old equipment, you don't necessarily need this pre-out cable, etc., and you might want to upgrade to something like this Feel Art 4-channel amp with built-in DSP, you simply just take this plug off, unplug it from there, and then you'll see the DSPs we use have actually got this same socket plugged in. And these have got automatic turn on, they've got higher level in, low level in, and they've got outputs also as well to run a sub amp if you want a much bigger, more powerful sub amplifier. So as I say, if you decide at a later date you want to upgrade to this or the newer models which are coming, then you don't have to strip the radio out, you don't have to mess around at the dash end, you just change the connector here. We've got a couple of other products that will come with this connector on as well, so we can integrate even further into the cars with no damage. So yeah, we'll add these onto the website shortly, and we're going to make these for a range of vehicles. So if you've got any questions or you want one, give us a shout. Thank you.